Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. See, I am here to teach you about that is class. Yes, class and its type. Yes, class and its types. So we are going to learn about that class. See, what is class? Class. Have you heard that? Class and phrase. So phrase always, yes, it won't accept that subject and verb combination. Yes, but here class is very opposite of phrase because it always contains, that is, it always accept the process of, that is, combination of subject and verb. Yes, so it will accept the combination of subject and verb, that is class. Yes, so here it always gives the complete meaning by itself. Yes, so clause will always use the complete meaning by itself, right? So that is the class. See, I have given one example. He plays cricket regularly. He plays cricket regularly, right? See here, he is the subject, that is doer of an action, that is it is a beginner of a sentence, and plays exactly a verb because it is an action word, playing. So plays, he plays cricket regularly. So see the combination, see the sentence is performing with, that is subject with verb combination. Yes, so it shows the class. Yes, next, see, it consists of, that is, it contains two types. Yes, in class there are two types of classes are performing. See, what are the two types? Dependent class and independent class. Dependent class and independent class. See, in the previous video, that is in the part 1, we have learnt about the dependent class, and in this session we are going to learn about the second type, independent class. Independent. So see the word independent. See, it is always independent, freely act. Yes, dependent only, it always depend on others. Yes, so it depends on any other thing. Yes, at least any one of the thing. But here independent, it won't depend on others, right? See, it is always be independent. Yes, so independent class. So it always contains a complete sense. Yes, it gives a complete sense of your entire meaning, that is entire sentence, right? See here, it doesn't need any other classes. I told you that it won't depend on any other one. So it doesn't need any other classes, any other existence, right? See, for example, you may sit. See, this is a sentence. Look at the sentence. See, give a look here. That is, you may sit. You may sit. That's it. But it is giving the complete meaning. Yeah, you may sit. So, see whether other one, some of them asking us, that is, may I sit? Yes. We just answering that you may sit. Yes. So anyhow, it is giving the complete meaning. Yes. But while talking about the dependent, yes, dependent means. See, let me write an example. See, dependent, wherever you like. Yes, so wherever you like. So wherever you like, it is the dependent class, right? So here this is the independent class, right? See, wherever you like, you just see it separately. It will not give the complete meaning for the entire sentence, but it separately giving a complete meaning. You may sit. Yes, yes. So you just connect both the sentence. That is, you may sit wherever you like. You may sit wherever you like. Yes. So you may sit wherever you like. But see here, see the difference between, that is, dependent class and independent class. This is the independent class. See, here is, that is, subject, verb, and here you subject, here verb. See, but both are containing the subject plus verb combination. But there is there is differentiation. See here, but independent class, it won't, that is, it will accept always the, that is, verb and subject combination, and both are accepting that. But here That is dependent clause, it will not give the complete meaning for the entire sentence. But independent clause, it always gives the complete meaning. That is separately, whenever it is acting in a separate, but also it will give the complete meaning. Yes, but it won't give. It never give. Yes, so that is the difference. Yes, but both can perform the combination of subject and verb. Yes, so that is the difference and that is the rule. So that's it. We learned about the two types of classes. Yes, so that's it, student. Thank you for being a part of the session. Thank you.